Hi guys, good afternoon. Right now it's about 4:15 or 4:30, 4:25 in my watch. Market is closed at 3:30. Did you enjoy all the trades that I gave today? I am so happy. I'm so very happy. Many of you made profits. Many of my webinar member whom I have taught, I have trained roughly about 1,000 people till now. And many of my just the Telegram and YouTube followers, they have made huge amount of profits. So as I told you, everything that I do, whether I give calls, whether I make videos, whether I do conduct the free webinar classes, the underlying principle of everything is that you guys have to make money. Your portfolio has to be in green. That's my only and only pledge. And if you believe in the same cause, I really want you to show, introduce many more people to my Telegram channel, right? I'll take you to my Telegram channel first. We'll talk about the calls, and then I'm going to teach you a very, very important concept, how to place stop loss box order in breakout stocks. What does it really mean? I'll tell you in just a short while, right? But first, let's go to the Telegram channel and see how it worked, right? So see here, this is how I start my day. Really, I wish that you guys have most profitable day. So we have given you the Nifty levels, the Bank Nifty levels, and we have given you the, we have continued our positions. Havels, Asian Paints, Reliance, Ashoka Leyland, right? These are, and I have given you the levels of these, right? You can see Havels level, Asian Paints level, and Reliance levels, Ashoka Leyland level, and DHFL levels, right? And I have given you the way how you need to trade. These are all extensive research of StockPro. There is no anybody who tells you anything. It's just copy paste. We have, this is our extensive research. We do it a day before. Our members know it well in advance, and then we just before the market opens, we post our levels and we wait for the entry at 9:30. If the entry comes before 9:30, if I guide you, then only you have to take. Otherwise, from your side, please don't take an entry. Wait till 9:30. Okay. Delete Bilcon I have given you earlier. It touched the stop loss, but I said that hold it. Hold it. Even if it is touching your stop loss, just hold it. And then I gave you the revised levels for Nifty. And just look at the beauty. DHFL, I was sure about will head in the downward direction. It just nosedived. It just nosedived. Like, see the beautiful fall the stock had. I mean, it was just unstoppable, right? This is the fall that the stock has taken. This fall is what stock has taken, right? Similarly, we have given you Havels. Look, oh sorry, this is Bharti Airtel. Look at the Havels. How it moved up. This is where I gave it to you. In the morning, breakout came and it went till this point, right? Then the other stock that we had on our radar was HCL Tech. Look at the beautiful run up HCL Tech has given, right? It opened gap up only. So there's not much of run up that it has given today. And Reliance is what another stock that I have given to you today. Those who joined me live on Sunday, I told you that to buy Reliance call, right? I told you even the call that you need to buy. I told you to buy Reliance 1,000 call. On that day, it was about 19 rupees, and today it is 38 rupees, right? And then we had on our radar, what are the stock? Ashoka Leyland. Ashoka Leyland actually just touched the T1. After that, it just didn't move in any other direction. Then we had, this one, ITC. ITC, I'm going to come to a minute. But before that, I want to take you to Asian Paints, right? Asian Paints just touched, our level. We gave Asian Paints, sorry, where are we? Here. We gave Asian Paints somewhere at, the levels of the Asian Paints were, see here, 1378. It couldn't touch it level, but it doesn't matter. It didn't even go down. I really expect it to further go up. I'm expecting you know, Asian Paints had a massive resistance at this point, you know, which it couldn't cross. So the moment this resistance is crossed, it'll head up. I'm still expecting a breakout tomorrow, and I'll continue these levels for tomorrow, right? Then what else? Which other stock was there? And I gave you in between a call on um, Asian ITC, right? I gave you even Nifty breakout levels. You know, like I gave you revised level of Nifty. I said buy only above 10,920, and it convincingly broke this level and it went up till quite a bit, right? Now I want to tell you about this call that I gave you, and this is something I want to teach you. So here is the call that I gave you. I want to show you the time. The call was, how can you be stress free and enjoy our calls? This was the call that I gave, right? Buy above 274, 276.4. Time was roughly 10 past 12, right? Let's see what's happening at that time. So where is ITC? ITC is here. This is ITC. I'm going to make it 5 minutes so that you can see it clearly. Uh, here we are 12, I gave it at 12 past 9, right? Somewhere here, at somewhere here, at this place, right? This is where I gave. Now our buy price was, where is the stock right now? Look at that point. At 12:10 the price is at 2275.6. Now we know a breakout will only come when it crosses 276.4. So what you need to do, this is what I want to teach you. This is what the theme today is. How do you put the stop loss order? So what you need to do here, where is ITC? ITC is here. Go to buy, right? And put a bracket order or box order, right? Here you put the quantity. Let's say you want to buy 100 shares. Stop loss, I have given you well-defined stop loss, right? So stop loss is basically 4 points and first target is 4 points. So what you do, stop loss is 4 points, next target you can give for 8 points, and trailing stop loss of 1 point, and what you need to do, make it stop loss, right? Where do we want to enter into the stock? When it crosses 276.4 and go here to 76.4. So you have to give the price and you have to give the trigger price and go for buy, right? Once you do that, once you know there is a breakout which will come, now when the stock take a reversal and starts heading up, right, you will not be able to take an entry. It just moves so fast. So be ready with like this. If it doesn't cross this level, your order will not trigger. But if it crosses this level, you automatically will get these orders. Now see, I'll show you, I did the same thing, right? I'll show you my order book at right exactly at about 123. I could buy 200 shares, right? Exactly at the same time, I'll show you, it crossed that same price, exactly at the same price, right? I couldn't have entered it had I not, you know, taken a call earlier. So here are we. This is 121.55, right? This is 155. I have placed the order, and when my order was executed, let's see that my order was executed at no, I bought 400 shares. Sorry, these I cancelled. If I understand, these I cancelled. I bought 400 shares. At what time my order was executed? 155, right? Now let's see what happened at 155. So this is 155 right here, exactly here. Let me make it for the smaller time frame so that you can understand more clearly, right? This moment, right? Can you see within a fraction of a second, it went from 276 to 276.5, 65. You had no way, you know, this is 1 minute time frame. You had no way to enter at that time. So what did I do? I kept the stop loss order ready. So what are the things that you need to put into your stop loss order? Quantity, price, trigger price. Price and trigger price has to be exactly same. Put the stop loss. We have given you the stop loss. Put the target and put the trailing stop loss. Today we didn't have much time. Otherwise, this stock would have moved up, and I expect it to move tomorrow in the upward direction. So this is how you will put the bracket order. Hope I am making sense. If you are convinced with what I'm doing, please share my this video with others. Please share my channel with others. You know, like I'm not, whatever I do, I don't expect you people to do anything except just share my channel with members who are losing money, right? Just join me for the cause. That's it. I really want you people to help me with this. If you do that, I'll be really grateful to you all, right? So just waiting for you guys to respond in a way where I can really you know feel that you all are supporting me and you all are watching my levels. I'll be really happy. So the topic, I hope you have understood how to place stop loss, box order, your bracket order, whatever you want to call it, in breakout stocks, right? Please watch this video again and again if you have not understood. What are we doing? We want to enter into a stock right now which is at a lower level, but I want to see, if I want to buy on a lower price, I can just put the order and leave it, right? Simple order. Whenever the price reaches my lower values, it'll just buy me the stock. But suppose the stock is on a higher value, I want to enter only when it crosses a particular point. Then what do? Then for that, we have to have the stop loss order, right? All right. So to be able to buy a stock which is where I'm somewhere lower, right? I'm somewhere here, and I want to buy a price here, right? You get my point? We are somewhere here at this point. We are somewhere here, and we want to buy on a higher price, right? We are on a lower price. We are somewhere here at this point or at this point, but we want to buy on a higher price. Then what do? I have to put a stop loss order, right? Please understand it. Please share it with others so that others can also understand and create right trades, right? Please guys, support me in my endeavor, which is to save you guys from losing money. And take care of your money, take care of your trades, and follow me on my Telegram, and please share my videos with others and my Telegram channel with others. This is what I want to request. And if you want to learn simple tricks and techniques, then you can go to my website and talk to my team, right? And it's very cost effective, very cost effective way of where I'm teaching you guys how do you trade, how to become a pro. And there are 3 courses that we have launched, and one of them is a nifty course, the other is a positional course, the third one is a intraday course. So you decide what you want to do, right? So you can make a choice, but I would suggest do it. You see the live everything that I'm doing, right? So rather than falling into a trap where people don't do even a live trade with you and show you exactly what to happen, right? uh, you don't need to fall into a trap at all, right? And the courses how we have priced is also very reasonable, right? Anyway, this is what I wanted to share. Take care guys, good day. We're gonna meet. These are the 3 courses that we have, right? You can do, anyone go here, contact us, talk to my team, and they will give you the details, right? But meanwhile, till you don't have money, I know you guys are challenging a lot in your life, financially also. So till then, you follow me on my Telegram channel and make money, right? I want to show you one of the member who's my Telegram follower. He has made money twice today. He's made money twice today. I'll show you here. So he's made money twice. See here, he's made money twice. So first he made money here. He's just my Telegram follower. So first he made money here, 5250 in Hevels, and then he made money on ITC 2640. And he's written also that traded in ITC, and he says, "Have just believe in your technicals, ma'am, and I'm truly happy." And then he says, in one day I made 2 profits today, right? Second profit, right? This is first profit, this is the second profit, and that's how many people have done it. So take care, guys. I'm waiting for you. I'm really, really wanting you all to have good money in your account every single day. Bye bye. Take care. We meet again tomorrow.